Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. Here in settings, what are we going to do is we're going to go to Sound and Haptics. And once we're here, we're going to check the volume levels. So what we care about is music, videos, and the games and calls. So we want to make sure that there is a sound, just like I have the sound. If you don't have it, then first, the best way to start is by cleaning the speaker crew on the top. And as you guys can see, the speaker crew at the bottom. Now, once you do that, everything will go way smoother because your speakers are clean. Now, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go back and we want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned off because we don't want any audio being routed from our device to, let's say, headphones, earphones, and etc. Now what are we gonna do is, as a last resort, we're gonna update our software to fix any speaker issues. So we have to scroll down all the way into the settings, go to System and Updates, and select the software update. Now it will check for updates automatically, and you should be on the latest version. If you're not, instead of check for updates, you'll see that you can download and install the latest version. I am on the latest version, and if you guys are not, make sure to update because you can get rid of glitches with your speaker. So that's basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.